What up, y'all? Yes, that is the little Ryker 600 in front of us. We finally got her out on the old Ryker. We got the new seat on. We're gonna do a little seat review at the end of the ride, see how she's liking that, man. The thing is beautiful. It's a Corbin. So let's check it out now. What up, guys? That's right, you're seeing it. You're seeing it. First time in a long time, we got her out of the little Ryker 600. Doing it to a short run today, man. Just up to lunch. I wasn't even gonna record it, but I figured what the hell. Let you guys check out the little Ryker. And yeah, like I said, we're just going up to lunch and back. But it's nice to have that thing out here again. We got a brand new seat on, it's the Corbin. And this is her first time riding on that. So we'll get a little review and see how she's liking that. Other than that, it's just me and the wife today. We are hooking up with the boys tomorrow. It's gonna be a 3 Amigos ride, plus a couple other ones who we haven't met yet, and they're just as entertaining. Not gonna make it Daytona Bike Week this year. I'm going out of town day after tomorrow, actually. And by the time this video hits, it'll be after Bike Week. But I do want to get up there. I had a couple messages from a couple guys, subscribers. They're heading up there, and I definitely want to hook up with y'all and bang a couple beers with you guys and meet some of the guys that follow the channel, man. That'd be fun. But we'll make it up there maybe for Biketoberfest in October. We'll get up there for sure. I have no doubt about that. But yeah, like I said, this will be after Bike Week, so I hope you guys that did go had a good time. And yeah, tomorrow's gonna be a nice run, so we'll have 2 videos going here. But right along. Thing looks good from behind. The bike's not bad either. Yeah, we're heading up to Georgia and North Carolina for the GNCC races. It's an outdoor race, ATVs and motorcycles. It's like a 12-mile course, 2-3 hour race. You can check out some of that footage on my other channel, which is Dirt Flirts. It's an ATV riding site. It's pretty nice out today, man. I gotta tell you. Let's see what we got here. It says 82. I feel a little hotter with this temperature I'm running right now. I'm trying to crack this before we head out of town. That's why I don't want to do a long ride tomorrow. Yeah, I really hope she's digging the seat I got her for that bike, man. It was it's a Corbin. It was pretty expensive, so the one that comes on that bike is complete garbage. It's a piece of rubber. So this has to be better no matter what. Anybody need a bike? Woo! Place is popping, isn't it? Ain't nobody here. What the fuck? Oh, we closed on Sunday? Better check it. Don't look too open to me. Either that or food really sucks. Maintenance? What do they got to maintain? Alright guys, as you can see, our little lunch spot there is closed for maintenance. So we're going to bang it onto our local, I don't know, I guess I still call it a biker bar. It's not so much anymore. It used to be really cool, man. It was all rustic and pretty much only bikers went there. And they kind of changed it around, updated it all, took out a lot of cool stuff, put a lot of crappy stuff in. They still got bands and stuff there, but it's just not as cool as it used to be. But we'll head up there. It's Bike Week, so it should be pretty crowded there. So we'll see what we can see.
Did you say it's not as cool as it used to be?
Not as good. What, Moe's?
Yeah.
Shit.
Did you say?
I did say. You agree?
I concur.
Yeah. Yeah, so far we've only gone a few miles up the road, but so far she's really digging the seat. Said she can definitely tell it's way better than that stock one already, so mission accomplished there. And my wife getting waved at up here by the bikers. Yeah, she's really enjoying that little Can-Am, guys. It's pretty cool, man. I rode it. It's too small for me, but the thing is real. It reacts, man. It's like real snappy, the steering. It's like riding a little go-kart, man. It's awesome. And the 600, it's got giddy up and go, man. That thing will pump it, man. From a red light, she smokes me. Which I shouldn't have just admitted to. But it's a little automatic, you know. One brake. Nice and easy for her, man. She loves it. Look at that. Another Can-Am and a Road Glide. We got twins out there, boys. Hell, we might even have a band here today, man, being it's Bike Week. We shall see. Yeah, she's doing real good on this little Ryker, man. She's only got like 5 or 6 rides under her belt now, man. She's kicking it. Getting comfortable on it. One of these days she'll be able to ride with the boys, the Amigos. You gotta be used to riding about 90 or 100 miles an hour to ride with the Amigos. And half in the bag. Alright, it's right up here. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, there's bikes out here already. I smell weed. Oh yeah, the place is packed. Yep. Holy crap, I smell weed.
Welcome to Malabar Rose Bike Week 2023. What are you laughing at?
Bike Week 2023.
Well, it is. It's the start of Bike Week up in Daytona.
Yep, that's where we came from.
Oh, did you? What brought you down here, though?
Earls.
Earls, there you go. World famous Earls.
Going to Earls.
Enjoy. Have a good time. Be safe.
All of us.
We're good. Take a sticker. Go to Barkin Beggars and you'll see yourself on TV. Where'd you guys
Where's
come from?
that at?
That's on my YouTube channel.
Okay, I put it here so we'll lose it.
Excellent. So where you came down to Daytona from where?
Oh, I live there.
Oh, you live there?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
That's
Well,
why we
enjoy.
get out of town. We're hoping everybody from Brevard County went north.
There you go. And most of them did. You're right.
Perfect.
Have a good one.
That's what we want.
Happy Sunday, guys.
Yep, thank you.
Just want to show you what Moe's used to be. This porch was never in existence. This front porch was the entranceway, the original entranceway. All this has been upgraded and redone throughout the years. Ah, there's a pretty girl all in white. Baby girl all in white. Woo!
All right, guys, banging it on a Moe's here. Actually, we didn't eat. I had one waitress for all those people in there, man. Can you believe it? So yeah, we were waiting a long time even for our drink. So we kind of wanted to ride a little more than eat. So we're gonna just do a little river ride here for you. Let you check out the area, and it is a beautiful day. So ride the river here back towards the home area, and then look forward to more riding with the Amigos and the other boys. It's gonna be a nice ride, man. Yeah, ton of bikes out today, man. Do a little river ride for you guys. Leaving the lunch spot, heading on back home. Kick this little cold we got, and wait for the ride tomorrow with the Amigos and the other 2 guys. Amigos and friends, we call it. Should be a real good ride tomorrow, man. You're gonna like that video. hit that subscribe for me if you would, man. I really appreciate all you new guys subscribing too, man. It's a big help, and it's really cool finding out where y'all are from, man. I mean, one of the subscribers just told me he's from Austria, same as Joseph, and yeah, thanks for subscribing, dude. Appreciate it. I'm gonna let him know. And I'd like to hear what, you know, where you guys ride in the north and everything like that. So let me know. I'm originally from Pittsburgh, so I've done a little riding up in Pennsylvania. And like I said, you know, the North Carolina stuff's coming up, but really haven't ridden up there yet. I'm really looking forward to it. Yeah, they're having a big festival down this road. It's called Seafood Fest. Stay there, asshole. They have it every year in Grant, Florida. So it's pretty packed around that area right now. How's your butt?
Oh, it is so sweet.
Yeah?
My butt is sweet.
Way better, huh?
My feet sweet, my butt sweet.
Hey, your butt's awesome. So you recommend it?
Highly recommend it.
Okay.
Yes, highly recommend it.
All right, good.
Anybody else that can get a custom seat made like this, I recommend it for sure.
All right, cool. All right, you heard it, guys. She's loving the Corbin seat. And like I said, anything's going to be better than that stock one. But Corbin makes one for the Ryker. I know Ultimate Seat makes one for the Ryker. And as far as right now, that's the only ones that I know make it for the Ryker. And yeah, she recommends it, guys. So you guys with the Rykers out there, and you were wondering, great seat, a little pricey, but the whole thing is, I mean, it's handmade. You choose the colors you want on the sides, the stitching, the emblem, and they got a ton of different colors. So it's definitely custom made. So I think it's worth the money. Go check them out.